Hello students, today we are going to discuss the structure of the triple covalent bond, right? Yesterday we discussed the single covalent bond, that is example of chlorine and hydrogen. Then we had discussed the double covalent bond, that is oxygen. And today we are going to, in continuation, we are going to discuss the triple covalent bond, and example is what? Example is nitrogen, right? So see here, nitrogen has the atomic number 7. So the configuration will be 2 and 5. Now since nitrogen has 5 electrons in the outermost shell, so what it will prefer to have 3 more electrons to complete the octet. When the question is the formation of nitrogen molecule N2, then in that case what happens? Both the nitrogen atom, they share what? 3 electrons each. Means this nitrogen and this nitrogen both share their 3 electrons and form the triple covalent bond, right? So this triple covalent bond results into the very stable nature of nitrogen, that is N2. And because of this triple covalent bond, children, nitrogen is so inert that it is present in the atmosphere 78%, but still unreactive gas. Not inert gas exactly, but it is a non-reactive gas. So what is it? It is the triple covalent bond. So till now we had discussed the similar type of what? Nucleus which are taking part in the formation of a molecule. Now we are going to discuss the another kind of covalent bonding in which the different atoms, right, will combine through covalent bond and will result in the formation of a new molecule. In this series, first of all, I would like to discuss the structure of ammonia molecule, right? Ammonia, whose formula is NH₃, right? NH₃ is very clear, one atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. So how will they form a covalent bond? Now look at here, as we have discussed earlier, nitrogen has a configuration 2 and 5, right? And hydrogen has the atomic number 1, its configuration is only 1 in the K shell, right? So hydrogen wants to have 2 electrons in the outermost shell and nitrogen wants to have 8 electrons altogether in the outermost shell. So again I am telling you children, I am drawing the electron-dot structure, not the orbital structure, because electron-dot structure are more convenient and they are accepted in the council also, right? So what is there? In that electron-dot structure only the valence electrons are drawn. You must have seen in the previous videos I had drawn the electron-dot structure, right? So what happens? The 5 electrons present in the outermost shell of nitrogen I have drawn over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dots represent the electrons of nitrogen atom. Now, since molecule have 3 hydrogen, so the 3 hydrogen whose electrons are shown by the crosses, they are over here, right? So what happens? These hydrogen need to complete their duplet. So they share, these 3 hydrogen, they share their electrons with the electrons of nitrogen. So this hydrogen share with the electron of nitrogen, this hydrogen share with the electron of nitrogen, and similarly this hydrogen also. So in this way what happens? The duplet of hydrogen atom is completed, right? Now if the question arises about the octet of nitrogen, because nitrogen has outermost shell, which shell? L shell. And I told you in the very beginning that except the K shell, rest of all the shells are satisfied when they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So what happens? These hydrogen duplets are completed. Then if I encircle this another circle, So in this circle, we can count the 8 electrons. How come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means the octet of nitrogen is also completed. So here becomes the structure of nitrogen, right? The straight line shows the covalent bond. The 3 covalent bonds are there between nitrogen and the 3 hydrogen atoms, right? And one pair of electron remains unbonded. This unbonded pair of electron is known as the lone pair of electrons. A very important topic children here. I will give you this in the form of questions in the next video. That the lone pair of electron are the electron pairs which remains unbonded but contribute in the completion of octet. Alright. So this is another very important thing. This lone pair of electron, they are responsible for the basic nature of ammonia. Alright. So this is how the ammonia molecule is formed. It is a heterogeneous molecule, means it is having 2 types of atom, nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. Alright. So this is what the structure of ammonia molecule. So rest of the molecules children we will discuss in the next video. Thank you children.